Hello everyone, welcome to BeamModeler.com. So we are seeing a series of options which is available in the Revit family where in the property of the families. So one of the option is that cut with void when loaded. So this option, where do we use it? For example, in this case, I'm placing a sink which is a work plane based. So if I'm placing on top of the any table or any floors that you have in the project, if you place that and if you try to um, see that it's not cutting properly on the top of it. So this is the purpose. So I have opened the same family and created a void in this place. You can see that I have created a void and it does not create a cut anything. So by default, if you're trying to cut, if you're trying to put the void, it may cut the some of the object. Make sure that it uncuts the all the geometry, and make sure that you tick this option cut with void when loaded. What happens is that this particular void will cut the geometry which interacts in the project. It could be generic model, it could be casework, or it could be a floor, ceiling, or wall. It could be any object which placed on the particular object. So let's load this into the project which is already loaded. Let me try and load this and override with the existing version. And if I do a cut option here and click the first object and the second object, you will be able to see that it is able to cut the geometry after loading. So when you untick that option, this won't work as expected. This also can be applicable to stove, or it could be any object that we wanted to cut later time while we are placing the object. So I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Do share it with your learning friends and make them learn daily one by one. A small option will help them to much advance in the Revit family creation. So, and also there is an option in YouTube, hype. If you press the hype button, I'll be much more happy. Then it will be shown on much more learning people. I'll be glad that you did. Thank you so much. If you have any questions similar to this, do comment it in the video below so that I can pick it up and create another tutorial for the same. Thank you so much. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.